We all have radios. Don't stray from your instructor. Use your compass, use your common sense, and just be safe out there. All right?
All right, so you guys got our bearing. We know where we're going. So let's go. I think that's a solid plan. Just go down like this, wrap around the hillside, and then come up that saddle, and we can kind of hit that lighter slope there. Looking at it, utilizing terrain features to your advantage, it's a present feature within your landscape, so utilize it to your benefit.